so today we're going to be knocking out some mountain climbers. Now, if you haven't practiced mountain climbers before, and I don't mean done mountain climbers, I mean actually practice it, then I would recommend slowing it down for the first couple of tries, getting a hang of the movement, and making sure that you can support the weight before you speed things up. Okay, and I'll show you exactly what I mean in a moment here. So for the mountain climber, we're going to go down into a full plank, otherwise known as push-up position here. We're going to have the hands below our shoulders, and then we're going to pull each leg in one at a time. So nice and controlled here. And this is what I mean by practicing the mountain climber. And the reason why we want to do that is to avoid pulling our knee in too far and pulling our spine and lower back in with it as well. So check this out. You see how my entire body's kind of rotating in with my knee. We want to try and avoid that. So we're keeping this back nice and straight here. Bring the knee in one at a time. And as we get more familiar with this movement, we can start to speed it up. It's just like you're jogging sideways. So while you're doing this, it's important to make sure your core is nice and engaged, your upper body is supporting your weight, and then you're able to control each knee movement at a time. So that is our mountain climbers.